I'm talking about. They'd hear it all the way from the airport.
Let's see this thing lying right here on the ground.
Yeah.
Some kind of bait thing.
It's been there for a couple days.
When I saw it, I went, oh, you know, I wonder if anybody's going to notice that thing.
That'd be funny. I should. Definitely looks suspect if I was thinking about it.
Yeah, I kind of looked at it, went up and read the thing. Said everybody's shut down, even their engines. You know, I don't think he has to wait for his bags. He's staying right there.
Really?
Yeah.
Not gonna be able to get near that for a couple days.
You can't. Well, yeah, because I got a 6 o'clock morning flight, and I drive out, and I stayed at Hampton, and they said you can't. The road's closed. You have to go out the other way. I said, you know, if I miss my flight, he's gonna have to pay.
Say, hey, don't you know who I am?
Yeah. Say, come on, bud. I voted for you.
Yeah. Where's my free pass?